welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be showing you guys my home binder. This has been a requested video. A lot of you have seen where I did my meal plans and I showed you kind of how I do a monthly meal plan. So you all were requesting to see what's in my binder and how I organize it. And I'm going to be showing that to you guys today. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Just hit that little button down there that says subscribe. And if you want to make sure you don't miss any of my videos, hit the little bell icon next to it and it will notify you anytime I have a new video up. Alright, so in my binder, I've added a lot of new prints that I found and organization sheets, and I'm going to link all of them below, and everything that I actually found was free and pretty and colorful, and a lot of them even had a black and white option in case you don't want to use color ink. So I'm going to link those down below in case you would like to use them as well. So in my binder I have it in lots of different sections, and I'm going to show you guys close up each section and what I include inside. Alright, so this is my binder, and it's actually a 2-inch 3-ring binder. And for your binder, you could do a 2-inch, you could do 3-inch. It just depends on how much you want to include. And you can even do multiple binders if that is better for you. Alright, so inside I have all of these different tabs. And in the first section is my house management section. And for this section, this is kind of like my cleaning routines and stuff. And this sheet right here is actually old. This is from when I did work as a teacher, so my schedule was a little bit different. And then these are some new prints that I found that I wanted to start filling out because I like that I can organize my week, and especially if I have a lot going on in a week, I can kind of write down what I need to get done on what days and all of that. Luckily for me, I am a work from home mom now, so it's so much easier for me to get things done around the house. I don't know how you working mamas do it, but I completely understand and feel your pain because this is the first year I have worked from home. But then I also found this sheet, and I really like this one because this gives me, I can write down exactly what I need to do for the week, for each week. This is kind of a overall what has to be clean, and so I could do what needs to be done weekly, and then what needs to be done monthly, what needs to be done quarterly and annually, and then as I do them I can check them off. So I really like that list too that I found, and I will link all of these below just so you know. Alright, the next section is our finances section, and this is where we keep all of our budgets, and we actually write out our budget and have a budget meeting each month. We went through Financial Peace University, the Dave Ramsey course, and we absolutely love it. We have all of our debt paid off. It took lots of hard work, but we are still trucking it and budgeting every month, and so we do our weekly or our monthly budgets, and we sit down and we fill it out together. And I'm not going to show you our budget because I'm not going to show you our personal finances, but I will show you the sheets that we use, and I just printed enough to do them for each month. And we use the monthly cash flow plan, and this is where you write out everything and you try to get to where it goes all the way to $0 when you are done. So you plan out every single thing. Alright, and then the next section is our calendar section, and I still need to punch holes and put this in here, but this is Kaysen's baseball schedule, and then these are important dates to remember, so I'm adding them on here, but I'll add more birthdays and things like that. I haven't gotten all the way through my calendar yet, but that's what I'll add there. And then any other important calendar events will just go in here, any schedules, things like that. So we used to have a soccer schedule, but that one's out now because the season is over. All right, and then the next section is important, or this one is cooking. So this is where I go when I am meal planning. This sheet right here, I mean, I know it's not pretty or anything. I'm sure that I could have found a printable for this, but I just kind of wrote this out quickly one day. But these are a lot of the meals that we use and that we love. So we have all of our favorite meals compiled onto this list, and then even some Pinterest meals that we've tried before that we would eat again, that we loved. We have them all right here, so that way before the month starts and I get ready to meal plan, I can come to this list and look for ideas, especially if I didn't use them from the month before. So that's what this is for. All right, and then this is household items and snacks and lunches. This is a list of things that we buy frequently that I like to make sure I look at before I go to the grocery store or before I do our online order, just to make sure that we are not running low and we don't ever run out of these things. All right, and this is my meal planner sheet that I found, and I really love this one. This is a monthly meal planning sheet, and this is our meal plan for March. I showed you guys that in one of my other videos. And so this is how I meal planned for the entire month, and then I plan on keeping these in here so that way each month I can kind of go back and look at what we did for dinners and get ideas from this as well, and make sure that we are eating a variety and not just eating the same things over and over. And then next year, I'm hoping that after I have all of my monthly meal plans in the binder, it'll make it even easier when I go to plan for the month, because I can look at that month and see what we ate that month. All right, and then the next part of our cooking section, I found this little printable and I thought I'd show you guys because I like that it has a weekly meal plan, and this is for all of you friends that like to weekly meal plan instead of monthly. Or if you have a monthly meal plan and then you still want to write out everything, you can write out breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can write your shopping list here. I just thought it was a really neat little checklist. All right, and then I also have a bunch of recipes. Like if we tried something off of Pinterest and we really liked it, then I'll just print it out and stick it right in here. So that way it's a whole lot easier for me to just find the recipe as soon as I'm ready to cook it. All right, and then the last section is important information, and I am not going to show you my password cheat sheet, but I did print one that's blank for you guys to see. But I found this password cheat sheet and I thought it was really neat. We could put all of our passwords here, and that way if I'm not home and Chance needs to get into something, he can just look on our sheet and the password is right there. And then in the back, we also put like bills and things like that. We'll just put any important information in these sleeve protectors in case we need to look at it throughout the year. And then at the end of the year, we'll take it all out and we'll put it in one file that is for the entire year. All right, y'all, that is it for my binder. I hope that you guys found this video helpful, and I'm going to be leaving all the links down below so that way you can print these out for yourself if you would like to make your own binder, or if you would like to trade out some of the sheets you're already using. And remember, all of them were free. They were all free from different bloggers and places on the internet, so I will make sure to link all of that for you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you're not already following me on Instagram, my handle is @TeamDarley, and you can follow me over there to see what we are doing on a day-to-day basis, and I hope that we can be friends. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.